What is this on the radio?
Yes.
This is huge. This is absolutely huge.
I was pissed off in the first week when it was number 1 and it still wasn't showing up on the radio.
Getting heavy. Oh my god, it's actually on the radio.
Right?
This isn't iPhone, this isn't Bluetooth. We're on the radio in Pittsburgh. What time?
7:05.
September 12th. Cause I'm in the stars tonight. The fire set the night alight. They're shining through the city.
With a little pumpkin soul.
Up like dynamite. Oh, oh.
I just envisioned B in this part.
I think this is a big moment for all armies.
It's a good moment. I like it.
Because this is the first time I've heard it on the radio.
First time I've heard it on the radio.
This is getting heavy.
When I heard the disc jockey say BTS, I was like, what? You're actually gonna play the voice? I'm
Good to go. I'm in, you know I glow up.
Let's go.
Cause I'm in the stars tonight. Once we bring the fire, set the night alight.
Shining through the city with a little pumpkin soul. Light it up like dynamite. Oh,
It's dynamite. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. See, it's radio.
Yep, regular radio.
I would have flipped my shit if this was another BTS song. But Army should support 92.9
Yep,
in Pittsburgh. We should anybody that's watching this, can you dial in to 92.9 and just praise them? Just let them know how thankful Army is. And we are that you actually play that song on the radio.
Yes.
Dynamite. You're right. They never played it when it debuted number 1.
No, it didn't. They didn't, and it was upsetting me.
All right, bye Army.